teacher and dear brothers. I praise to be my Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon His Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Tonight, I will speak on the concept of hijab in Islam. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says in the Holy Quran, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وقرن في بيوتكن ولا تبرجن تبرج الجاهلية الأولى. Remain in your homes and do not display your beauty as it used to be displayed in the days of earlier ignorance. Surah Al-Ahzab. Hijab in Islam is well connected with that of marriage and Islamic family system. The West considers the society a group of individuals free to enjoy in any action that involves them personally. On the contrary, Islam considers all society a unit. It does not allow any individuals to carry out an action that damages the social structure, how it is confident opportunity to him personally. Islam believes that a human civilization can survive only when the society is clean, pious, systematic and responsible. The success of the society lies in its spiritual development. Free sexual relation, uncontrolled carnal desires, shamelessness and nudity is confined him personally. It will lead into a horrible end. Even some Western writers have admitted that the family system is a must for any flourishing society. The last president of Soviet Union, Mikhail Gorbachev, says in his book Perestroika, chapter Status of Women, our family system has been destroyed. It will put an end to our nation. The disadvantages of women emancipation are more than its advantages. It is unlawful both for men and women to open these parts before any person other than their spouses. Women have been prohibited to go out and walk about without any obvious reason. If they go outside, then the condition of parda or hijab. The Holy Quran says, Ya ayyuhan nabi, qul li azwajika wa banatika wa nisa'il mu'minina yudnina alayhinna min jalabibihinna. Dhalika adna an yu'rafna fala yu'zain. Wa kana Allahu ghafuran rahima. O Prophet, tell your wives and your daughters and the women of the believers that they should draw down their shawls over them. That will make and more likely that they are recognized, hence not teach. Surah Al-Ahzab. Assalamu alaikum.
MashaAllah.